Bonjour, my friends. I'm Frankie, and welcome to Club Foodie. Time can be our friend, but also our enemy. If there's not enough time for cooking, we all look for quick and easy recipes like this one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Thai red curry shrimp. This is another delicious under 30-minute recipe. It's quick and very tasty. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a large skillet over medium heat, we'll add oil. And when it gets hot, we'll add red onions and saute for 2 minutes. Then we'll add red peppers as well as yellow peppers and saute for 3 minutes, stirring frequently. To this, we'll add pressed garlic and minced ginger. We'll quickly saute them for only 30 seconds. We'll now add the coconut milk. If your kitchen or pantry is cold, it might solidify. Then, coconut sugar. But if you don't have any, simply use brown sugar. Some red curry paste that can easily be found at your Asian supermarket, followed by freshly squeezed lime juice, fish sauce, one of the most popular ingredients in Thai cuisine, and finally, the two usual suspects, ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. We'll stir until the ingredients are nicely blended and bring the mixture to a simmer. We'll let it cook gently for 5 minutes. A few minutes later, the shrimp goes in. I personally prefer prawns as they're sweeter and tend to be bigger. And we'll gently push them down into the sauce before setting the timer for 3 minutes. What I like to do is to flip them halfway through cooking so both sides at one point are submerged in the sauce. We'll increase the heat so the mixture is at full simmer before pouring in our cornstarch mixture and gently stir until the sauce thickens, about 45 seconds. It's that fast. We'll serve them over a bed of rice, sprinkle on chopped cilantro, and garnish with a lime wedge. And my friends, this is our Thai red curry shrimp. This flavorful recipe has a nice balance of sweet and heat. In less than 30 minutes, you can enjoy the simple, quick and tasty dish. It's the perfect weeknight meal to make when time is in short supply. I hope you give it a try soon and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!